We are on the road to 1K. We are so close, y'all. Why am I out of breath? I'm out of breath because I was running, okay? I was running back to y'all. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Like, the way that I am set up with lashes, like that. I know this is a terrible tutorial. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Summer if you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching. I haven't said that in a long time, so if you don't know, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are on the road to 1K. We are so close, y'all. I would love to hit it before Christmas, but if I hit it before the new year, that's okay too, and I do have faith that I will be able to eventually hit it. I just don't know when. So let's jump right into the video today. We're going to talk about like Amazon beauty favorites that you need. This is going to be one of the Vlogmas Day videos. I don't know which one. It is Vlogmas, and I am being as consistent as I possibly can. So we're going to start right away. Why am I out of breath? I'm out of breath because I was running, okay? I was running back to y'all. So we're jumping in to the video. One of the things that you should definitely get 1000% if you are at Amazon girly, like Amazon beauty products that you actually need, are these nails. I know y'all seen the nails everywhere. These right here. I have these in the square. I also have them in like the almond shape, but with the French tips. I have them in the square shape without the French tips. I have maybe like 4 or 5 of these. This is literally how I do my nails all the time. And if I want to do like a design by myself, then I'll just use these. You can paint over them. I actually have like a whole entire nail kit upstairs where I have like builder gel. I think I made a TikTok about it and a YouTube video. I have everything that you could possibly need for the nail salon. I haven't gone to the nail salon, honestly, over 1.5 years, since July of 2022. That was the last time I've been to a nail salon. Since then, I do everything on my own. So there will be some times when I'm doing like a maintenance vlog and I'll share with you guys like what I'm doing. It's literally the truth. I do not go to the nail salon anymore at all. And my toes, for those of you that are wondering, I do press on toes. I used to do gel toes, but now it's literally just pressed on toenails. Like, they are the best thing, and they make your feet look so good, and they last. So as long as you don't like really mess them up, and sometimes they do be popping off, I'm not gonna lie to you, and you might find like a toenail randomly somewhere, but I just glue it back on and then it just goes back to lasting. So definitely that is worth it. I feel like, you know, girl math, cost per wear. I definitely am getting my wear out of that. I have an entire, literally, like I said, a nail kit upstairs. I have like the pink mats and everything. I'm gonna link everything in my Amazon storefront down below, so if you are interested in purchasing any of those, you can definitely do so. Next thing I'm going to talk about, I don't have it down here. I actually have it upstairs, and I'll take a video of it or pan it into the video. It's like a skincare organizer. So I have this in my bathroom. Now, before, when I was organizing my bathroom, I felt like stuff was all over the place, and it was kind of like in a tray, but out in the open. And I had too much stuff and not enough counter space. This thing saves me so much time. It has like a clear top, and I know you guys know what I'm talking about. It has a clear top. You open it and you're able to see all your products. And then on top of that, there's also like 2 different drawers, so you can put stuff inside of there. I feel like it's the most convenient way to have your skincare. You'll be able to see what you actually have, unless you put it in the drawer or something like that. But usually in the drawer, I put like pimple patches, or I put like the facial masks with. I put that on I put that in my drawer as well. So that's something like you could think about, but it's not super expensive. I have the one with the handle. I'll just link it again. This will be in my Amazon storefront. Next thing is like a skincare fridge. I know they have them on Amazon. I don't have one. I know some items you can keep cold, like if there's like eye patches or like certain skincare you can keep cold. So you can definitely have like a little mini skincare fridge. I think what's been going around right now is like Good Molecules, and I don't know if that's on Amazon, but I know for sure you can get a skincare fridge on Amazon and just keep some of the products that need to be cooled. Next thing I want to talk about, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, like the way that I am set up with lashes. Y'all see these lashes? Okay, so I have so many different types of lashes. These are called the flutter, not with the lash up there, this is real, the Flutter Frenzy lashes. I really actually loved these when I was wearing them, except these were okay. These were like my number 2 brand if I ran out of my number 1 brand. My number 1 brand of lash is literally this Cool lashes. These are new. I have to get more of them. I use the C mix and the D mix, and it's the Honey 01 mix. As you can see, I literally use them all the way down. Now, this is the only reason I'm not using these. These are 10s, and I feel like they're really small on my eye, and they don't make it stand out as much. But I mean, you can obviously do whatever you like. These right now, I think that I have in are the 16s. So I didn't use all of these because at one point I was like 16s are too long. I range from like 16 to 14 to 12s. I think that's the best range for me. But these lashes right here, y'all, are all literally amazing, and they're not super expensive. These are $10. So $10, and it lasts me, depending on which length you use, it lasts me at least 2 to 3 lash applications, maybe more. So that's not really bad. If you think about cost per wear or cost per use, it's not expensive at all. Now the lash glues that I use, I've had multiple lash glues, but I'm going to tell you the ones that work best. The one that I use that I feel like is the best one for me, and it doesn't break me out, or it doesn't make me have like, sometimes your eyes water with lashes, like if you're not really used to the glue. It's this Fad Lash. Y'all see this? This is the one. So it has a bond side and a seal side. What I do is you put bond like on the base of your lash, and then you put this actually on the lashes itself. Once you do that, you wait like 20 minutes and then you seal. When you seal it with one of these. So basically you go onto your lash, you press your lash with the seal. So I put the sealant against here like this. Just show you. Seal is usually clear at the end. I'm not going to actually use it on here. And you just take this and like rub it against there. And then you press on your lashes. And then you go to the other side, flip it, press. And that's how I get my lashes to stay for at least, I wear my lashes for at least a week. Then I take them off. Usually like by Friday, Saturday, they done had it. And by Sunday, I'll reapply new ones. So like once a week, I'm changing out my lashes. I personally, they're both Fad Lash, but I personally like the white and pink one better. I don't know why. This one just doesn't bother my eyes literally like at all. Whereas before, when I was using the false mascara, it was just irritating my eyes. Like my eyes just would water and then my lashes would fall off. So this one doesn't do that. This one kind of does. So I really didn't use this too much, but definitely the pink and white one. But I will link this below for sure, because I'm telling you, this is probably the best lash glue that you can get. Next thing I'm gonna talk about is a gummy edge control. This edge control right here, it's used. Like when I tell you I use it. So this is the new one. I just literally got this. I didn't even take it. I didn't even open it yet. Jeez. It comes with foil, so this is like a brand new one. This is probably my third edge control that I got. They last a really long time, but they are so good. And they slick down my hairs. When y'all see my baby hair slicked, and when I slick them in my videos, it's always using this with like an edge control brush. Next thing that I have been loving lately have been these heatless rollers. So at night, like as you can see right now, 9 times out of 10 my hair is like curled or wavy. And I use this at night. This is hard to figure out, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna sit here and say, oh, this is so easy. Y'all, I be struggling at night with this too. But I figured out the way that I actually use it is I take one side of it and I wrap it around my hair like a ponytail. And then I just twist my hair through these loops like this. So it like kind of wraps around. And then I try to put this one, like this other scrunchie, around my whole head like that. I know this is a terrible tutorial, but honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's so easy to use. And I use this on a nightly basis when I want my curls to be like a looser body wave, like blow dried out look. Like this look is this. Now, if I wanted to do tighter curls, like the last time I used a smaller curling wand, I used the other rollers. These are not it, but they're like very similar, like the heatless rollers. So basically they look like this. They're long. You put them on top of your head and then you wrap your hair around it. And the tighter your hair is wrapped around it, the tighter the curl will be. So that's what I also use. These are different as well. They're the ones where you can roll it up, clip it, put a little bun on top. So heatless curls are what I do on a daily basis. And then of course, like with me, if I want to perfect my hair, I will always use a curling wand. I will always use my flat iron just to make sure that the top of my hair looks fresh. But the majority of my hair will be curled based off of the heatless curls. And literally when I have my hair curly, 9 times out of 10, I'm going to wear it. My hair is curly. 9 times out of 10, I'm going to use the heatless curls, because nobody is waking up in the morning and curling their hair every single day. Like that's just not a reasonable thing for me to do personally. Next thing I'm going to talk about is earrings. Like I have this one piece of hair just does not want me to be great. I have these earrings in today, but you know, like the Bottega dupes, the ones that everybody has, I have a pair that I love, and it makes you look so classy. That's why I really like them so much. I just got a silver pair as well. So I have silver and gold, and I just pop them in the screen, and I'll make sure to put it on my Amazon storefront. But I feel like those just go with anything. And as soon as I put them on, these are also from Amazon, I just feel like it just elevates my style so much. Like it just brings everything up. Like you're classy, you're chic, you have on a gold, like nice earring. You're not doing too much. You're not trying too hard. And that's like an effortless look I'm looking for, like effortless beauty. If you are definitely into your own like beauty maintenance and you want to make sure you take care of yourself, You want to be like one of the it girls with their lashes done, their nails done, all that stuff, y'all. My hair, I get my hair like a sew-in, but then after that, I maintain everything myself. So if you want to be like it girl, you can be an it girl for an affordable price by taking care of yourself. I promise you. And it's not hard. Once you get the hang of it, once you learn how to actually do things yourself, it's easy. Like, it becomes like second nature. Like, I know on Sundays is my reset day. I have to wash my hair. I have to sit under the blow dryer. If it's nail week, then I know maybe on a Friday or a Saturday, I got to take off my nails and start all over. Like, you kind of get into the hang of a routine for your type of beauty maintenance, whatever that may be. So that's it, y'all. I hope you enjoy it. It's a quick little video about like beauty items that you definitely should get from Amazon, especially if you are a DIY maintenance girly. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching Vlogmas, and yeah, bye guys.